Okay, this is what we wake up to this morning as we're in Troy, Illinois. Okay, here's the deal. For most of you, you're going to look at this and say, hey, this is what you call a dusting of snow. But you see, for us Seraph boys, we live in a beautiful place called Mobile, Alabama. If there's white on the ground, that means that somebody lost a whole lot of styrofoam and it got chopped up somewhere. And so even though the ground's not really covered, I can assure you that in some way, shape, or form, we are going to find a way to make some type of snowman today, even if it's only 4 inches tall. And we are also going to find a way to hit somebody, hopefully Joe, in the face with a snowball. We might have to take it off the cars. We might have to do something creative like shake it off a banister or something like I just have. But it's going to happen. And so, though most of you think that I'm a nerd because I'm so excited over this dusting of snow, it's really quite exciting for us. So please don't laugh too hard. This is about the most we've ever seen. All hail the power of the abominable snowman! Okay, so maybe it's not much. And maybe there's not enough snow to really do much. But the thing that you've got to understand is, this is about the most snow I've ever seen in my entire life. It's called a dusting, or at least apparently that's what these people who see snow call it. I call this a blizzard. This is amazing. There's snow, in my opinion, everywhere. Of course you can still see grass, yeah, and of course you can still drive, but apparently those are the criteria that some people use to say that it's a real snowstorm. But this is ultra cool to me, okay? I just got to show you it actually started snowing, and I hope that you can see this on camera. Check this out. Okay, this is what happens when water falls from the sky, which we're used to in Mobile, but apparently if it ever gets cold, it can sometimes freeze. And this is the amazingly white, fluffy result. I haven't quite figured out what to do with it. I've just seen people on Christmas Story, you know, hit people in the face with it, and I've seen people make snowmen with it, as I just did, which was amazing and powerful, by the way. But the thing that I've got to do today, well, I don't know, it's probably a bad idea, but it would be kind of neat to try to stick my tongue to a flagpole and ask my friends to help me as they abandon me. So anyways, that's what's going on. I just had to show you the snow, and it started snowing, and I also had to show you my amazingly huge, powerful, majestic Warrior 1 status snowman.